Good morning, everybody. Previous classes we discussed some topics of Indian rivers and water resources. Such river system of India, inflows of water on the earth's surface, outflows of water from the earth's surface, and then Tungabhadra river basin, use of water, Tungabhadra river basin, we discussed in previous classes. Today we are going to discuss about rational equitable use of water with an example. Equitable use of water, rational use of water, rational use of water, where how much water we necessity, that water only we use. That means don't waste the water. We save the water. Whenever we save the water, that will be used for the generations. Further generations. That's the meaning of rational and equitable use of water. The water using balancing, not more, not less. Okay? Understood? That's mean equitable use of water. Understood? It's an example. Generally, we have read already some of the topics relating to water. How to save water, how to preserve water. That is the most important to the saving of water. Understood? And then we have to judicious manner. We have fairness manner while using water. Understood? Okay? All should maintain responsibility whenever using water. Before that I explained you clearly. Let us discuss very clearly about how to use of water, and even here given one kind of village, they are also using the water rational and equitable use of water. That one known as Iver Bazar village of Maharashtra. Iver Bazar of village of Maharashtra. Iver Bazar, one of the village in Maharashtra. They are also using water very rational, very equitable. That's why given that village to know us. Understood? And then, so I am showing the location of the Iver Bazar on a map. Yes, you have to observe. Here, Western Ghats there. Okay? The location of Iver Bazar this side. Okay? This is also rain shadow region. And separate from Konkan coast. Rest of Maharashtra only. East of the Maharashtra, it is like Iver Bazar. You know, Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. It is in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. It is also completely rain shadow region. It is situated rain shadow region. There is no proper rainfall. Average year, there is a recorded average rainfall only 400 millimeters per annum. Understood? 400 millimeters rainfall recorded. Understood? Okay. And also we'll discuss that mainly soil and water conservation works also in this Iver Bazaar were implemented by the state government, by the Maharashtra. Soil conservation and water conservation. Conservation means saving. Saving of water, saving of soil. What is the problem of soil? What is the problem of water? Using of water very more and more. What is happening to the soils? What is the problem of soil? Soil erosion is the problem for the soil. The fertility soil erode and moving one place to another place by the agents like water and human beings activities and animals activities. The soil erode from one place to another place, moving one place to another place or moving one place to another place. Then only what happening there? The fertility soil will go to the one place to another place. Here empty place. Here waste place also remain. Understood? So for that the Maharashtra government also implemented. So works in Iver Bazaar were implemented there, especially in the Iver Bazaar implemented. To get Adarsh Gram. That's why they were implemented some kinds of schemes to save the water, to save the soils. Okay, digging some kinds of valleys, narrow valleys on the hill slopes. Digging on hill slopes some kinds of narrow valleys. Narrow valleys digging. Those kinds of valleys digging which purpose? Arrest of soil erosion. Arrest means not a really arrest of the human beings. To stop soil erosion. Understood? Okay. To stop the soil erosion and increasing the groundwater whenever the country was contoured trenches known as narrow valleys. Those are narrow valleys. CCT, continuous contoured trenches, the full form of CCT. Full form of CCT, continuous contoured trenches. Understood? A narrow valleys known as continuous contoured trenches. Okay, digging on the hill slope, arrest of the soil erosion and conservation of water. Understood? And also they also introduced other water conservation schemes also there, such that percolation pits, check dams, percolation pits, loose boulders, structures, and planting the trees in public places and roadsides. Planting trees, launching some kinds of programs in Iver Bazaar. Okay, conservating of water and soil. Okay, for those purposes, arrange this kind of things, especially check dams and percolation pits, loose boulder structures, and planting trees. Planting trees where? In public places, parks, side of roads. Understood? Public places. That's why this village also selected Adarsha Gram by the central government. By the which scheme? Adarsha Grama Yojana scheme. Understood? This village also, Vivek Bazar, that one selected Vivek Bazar village, selected Adarsha Grama. Understood? Then also, whenever this scheme introduced in the country, the central government put some of the conditions. Preconditions before the preconditions means before the introducing this scheme, Adarsha Grama Yojana scheme, and also put some kinds of conditions which were called preconditions. No? Preconditions. PRE, preconditions. Understood? Which were? What were the conditions? The first one, the conditions also known as bandits. Bandits. Very important, those kinds of things relating to examination point. Okay? 4 bandits. The first one, Korhan bandit. Korhan bandit, Charai bandit, Nas bandit, other one, Nasha bandit. Okay? First one, Korhan bandit. Korhan bandit. Korhan bandit means ban on felling trees. Stop cutting up trees. That means, okay, ban on felling trees. Ban on felling trees. Another one, Charai bandi. So, these words derived from Marathi language. Okay, Marathi language words these are. Charai bandi means ban of free grazing. Ban of free grazing. Ban of free grazing. Next, another one, Nasa bandi. Nasa bandi means family planning. Ban on only family planning. Nasha bandi, ban on liquor. Taking wine. Stop taking wine. Okay? Ban on Nasha bandi. Ban on liquor. Okay? How many conditions put whenever selecting Adarsha Grama Yojana scheme, introducing the scheme, then only some conditions put on the villages, then only you should follow this kind of things, then only conserve the water, then only conserve the soil, automatically will develop all aspects, these conditions put by central government in our selecting the Adarsh Gram of the villages. Understood? And then let us discuss. So in the Vivek Bashar, this kind of problems are common. Grazing also, free grazing also common. Felling of the trees also common. Cutting of the trees also common for poor people and rich people. Free grazing also common everywhere. Free grazing means they are sending their buffaloes into the field everywhere also there. They are also sitting at home. And also they are also wandering some area and leave the animals everywhere. They are only roaming some areas also there. Okay, understood? Then only what happening there? The buffaloes eating, not only eating grass, but also eating small plants. What happened there? Declining of the forest. Without know, the animals also eating the trees, eating the small plants. Okay, na? After that, the government also what to do? The village panchayat what to do, ma? They are also allowing the people. Okay, allowing the people to get the grass and feed with it their animals. Carrying the grass and feed their animals. Understood? And then whenever these villagers also introduce some kinds of bands also themselves to select Adarsh Gram. Why, sir? Only they are any village also getting only names, sir? No, getting so much of amount from the as a grant from central government. Whenever selecting Adarsh Gram, then only it easily develop. Understood? So then ban on the taking of the ban on digging of the bore wells. Understood? And also stop the plant sugarcane crops and banana. Why? Because those kinds of crops taking and absorbing more water. That's why ban on cultivate such crops, sugarcane crop and banana, like that. Okay, whenever this village also selected Adarsh Gram, after that also they are taking taking so many measures for the development of the village, taking more measures development of the village. That's why increasing of water levels, increasing of the groundwater table, and then cultivatable land also increased. Even peak summer months also 7 hectares to 72 hectares of land also increased in summer month also there. Unirrigated land became irrigated land because of water levels increase very more, increasing very more in that village. At first they giving the priority only giving the importance of commercial crops also. Potatoes, onions, such type of crops they started cultivating. Understood? Whenever the wages also have increased there, migrations also stopped there. Why? Because from native village getting more wages, more incomes, small farmers and also large farmers, or small farmers and also very very small farmers benefiting very well. That's why no migrations whenever that village selected Adarsh Grama. Okay. So using of underground water more and more, that's why some problems also created there. That and then also water irrigation should be taken only through the dug wells. Before that, then only they started cultivating all type of crops, not only cultivating kharif crops, but also cultivating rabi season crops. And then, why? Because increasing of the groundwater levels. Why? Because this village also introduced this type of things before that I told you, to preserve of water, to preserve of to protect the soil. Check dams, percolation pits, loose boulders, structures, planting trees, roadsides and public places. By these reasons, increasing groundwater level. So, after that, the wealth of the livestock increased. Livestock means buffaloes, goats, totally cattle. Okay, increasing the production of milk. Dairy. Farming also developing very well. Okay? At first, 140 liters of the per day getting from the village, per day getting of the 3000 meters of liters of milk. Okay? One thing you listen, we are not doing this kind of things and checking of the boundaries about the saving of the water. It is not a suitable, it is not a right thing. What about other states? The other states also doing some kinds of other things. That's why the water table declining. Okay? So that's why. So you have to rectify an understanding at a much larger unit like a sub-basin or river basin areas. Institutional norms and understanding we need. Okay, understood? And also let us discuss following topic of this lesson: water as a common pool resources. Water as a common pool resource. Water as common pool resource. water as a common pool resource. Everyone remember, on the earth, water is not a belong to one person. It is belonging to all of the country, all citizens of the country. Understood? Recently, the groundwater has been declining and declining, reducing, the groundwater reducing very more. On the earth's surface, there are so many boundaries of the lands and fields. In the groundwater, in the ground, no any boundaries, no determined any boundaries. That's why what happening to the groundwater? Extracting more water from the ground. Decline as well as declining the groundwater. Then only we won't leave more water for the further generations. Decline more and more. And also current loss also, how is belongs to groundwater? Current loss not correct. Inappropriate loss there belongs to groundwater. Not suitable loss there. That's why the groundwater using more and more and wasting, as well as decline of groundwater, reducing of the groundwater. What about ownership of the groundwater? Before that I told you, no boundaries in the ground, no determine the boundaries in the ground. We do not consider the water of the ground belongs to this person, belongs to that person. Can you determine? No. You and me cannot determine the groundwater belongs to certain person and as this person and that person. Understood? It is a very difficult task. Very difficult task to determine the water belongs to one person to that person. And then using more water, the governments also not concentrated the decline of the groundwater. The government cannot estimate how much water is there, how much water is there and not there. Why? Careless, negligence of the governments. That's why the people also getting and digging the bore wells and getting more water using different purposes. Recently, our governments announced no electricity bills for farmers. Then only no electricity bill. That's why they are using pump sets and bore wells so much of time. They are only getting so much of water. Understood? They are following the time perfectly whenever the government is also collecting electricity bill for the pump sets, for the bore wells. You know that? Understood? Recently, whenever the farmers also want to do, dig a bore well, providing some subsidies, given some kinds of loans to dig bore wells. What happening there? Whenever government also providing the loans with the subsidies and giving the loans with a low rate of interest, automatically majority of the farmers interested dig the bore wells will get the water. Understood? No restrictions, no limitations. Is there any limitations? How many wells there? How many bore wells there? No restrictions. Whenever here your field is there are also other fields there. Others getting more water from your field. Groundwater table decline. Nobody control taking up groundwater. No restrictions, no limitations. How many wells there? How many pump sets there? How many bore wells there? No restrictions by the government. Here, one of the problem is there. How laws are there relating to groundwater, we will discuss. In Kerala, there is one village, Perumatti Grama Panchayat. There also Coca-Cola company is there. It is a drink. Coca-Cola is a drink. To making of drink, necessity of plenty of water. Yes or no? Getting of water from the ground. Then only what happening there in that village, reducing the groundwater very more. That's why the Grama Panchayat, the people of that village protesting and brought that issue to the court to 2014 brought that issue. Then what the judgment came? Confusion. That case also pending. Still now, that case is also pending. The first judge giving the judgment favor of the village. The groundwater belongs to public, given the favor of the judgment for the village only, Perumatti Grama village. So another additional judge given the judgment. The groundwater belongs to owner property. Given the judgment the favor of Coca-Cola company. So here confusion for the judges also. What about common people? There is a confusion. Whenever they are giving the judgment, how use the water, who use the water, understood? The water benefiting all the public. That's why whenever they are giving the judgment also, Understood? Okay? Finally, I am telling you should and me save of the water, preserve of the water, conserve of the soil. Understood? It is a most important resource on the earth. What is that? Water. Water is a important resource of on the earth. Okay? Tomorrow we'll discuss next lesson. Okay?